That's Mariano here. I cook already 50 cooking I did, 50 videos. So, and we see, it's nice to remember because I started already about years ago, a year and a half ago. So it's nice to go see what I did right, what I did wrong, or we look at that and we'll see what happened. Okay, okay. Thank you. You can put anything you want to, but that's my way to do it. We got food here for army. Onion, I got everything there. Tomato, I got carrots, garlic, onion. This branch here, I buy this by mistake. That's not mine. I thought it was something else, but it looks nice though, eh? To have a plant like that, yeah. When we eat that, we feel good. Okay? Yeah. You know, you got good stuff. We can make a nice lasagna too. They're a bit messy, but that's okay. Soup and wine. See, look at that. Look at that. They go together. See, soup and wine. There you go. Anybody can eat that food like that. Even Papa Francesco. That's awful when they see Papa. Nobody would believe it when they see it. Say, yeah, he was there to my place. He said, but he don't stand there long. He said he don't like what I cooked, so he run away. But he come here for a little while. Come on, pizza. Come on, pizza. I got a 400. I can't put any higher than that. How is it? It's not bad, eh?
Very tasty.
Anybody can eat it without teeth. Smell, just the smell. You see?
Oh.
Ah, see? Oh, yeah, I like it. See? A glass of wine, bottle of wine here. I sleep here till 10:30, 11 o'clock at night, if it's nice weather. Couple of glasses of wine, and about 11:30, I go in bed. Cook when you're close to the stove, you get hot. You have to drink a little bit, you know. Don't get drunk, but just a little bit, eh? San Giuseppe lost a head. I don't know what happened. You see that, San Giuseppe? You got no head. Got a head right here, see? I have to put it back in there. See that? There, okay? I'm gonna fix it tomorrow. Nobody said crazy Mariano, eh? Crazy Mariano. I like that, you know. That's my way to live. Everybody lives in his own way. I'm so happy I'm gonna drink it. I'm gonna drink it back because I like what I see, what I did. Yeah. Oh, yeah?
Oh, yeah.
Oh, you are. Ah, that's a new apron. Hey. Oh, yeah. Oh, this. Oh, it makes the head, hey? You ready to put it through, guys? Oh, that's the one outside. Be ready to put it through, you guys.
Hey, no.
This is nice. Hey, Steven.
Yeah.
Fish no good to it on the other side of the fence.
To the neighbor.
I shouldn't say that, but I did. That's too late. But you cut it off of that. Capital Farm Meat, they make even this now. We sell it, and all the profit go for Capital Care. If you like one, an apron, hat, or whatever, they still got a phone to Capital Farm Meat. They send it to you by mail, or, you know, whatever you are. They send it to you, okay? Thank you. Parmesan, 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 cheese, cheese, cheese. There's a little bit of a wine, not much of it. Yeah. Yeah. Just a little bit of wine. A little bit for me too, why not? I don't drink the label, I drink the wine. My grandson, you know, no, you know when the spaghetti is ready. Oh yeah, I said, give me 2 or 3, so I give it 2 spaghetti. When I turn around, boom, slapped into the wall. I said, what are you doing? You see, stick. They don't fail. He says, cook. I was laughing. He was about 7, 8 years old, I think. I forgot now. That's my life. Mariano, here again, look at what I got today. Actually, that's not mine. My neighbor gave it to me. I keep this for seed. See, there's a seed here. But from here to here, it's the best zucchini you can eat, honest to God. Very wonderful. Now we do something different. Never did that before. I better don't do it again. Look at. See? You see? Rita, see the wine?
Oh, yeah.
See, I told you it's not enough. That's it. It's good. Still working full power. Yeah. Jingle bell, jingle all the way. Spaghetti alle vongole. Spaghetti with the clams. And don't buy the one frozen, buy fresh. Squeeze it. That's a calzone, no mascalzone, calzone. Mascalzone in Italian is not too, is a bad boy. We don't use no stove, no oven, no cooking. I eat the last of the stuff here, called tiramisu, but I never make it. You can taste
that's
cocoa,
good. Yeah.
the coffee.
Go buy a recipe,
and not,
don't
the
just...
sugar's perfect.
Yeah. And then sometime maybe it don't turn out the way you really expected, but it's no good. I don't like the fancy thing. I like to fool around the kitchen by myself, talk over the stove, talk over the wine.
Not talk to the wife. Talk to the stove. Talk to the wine.
You got it?
So
Beautiful.
this time's already send that. Oh, is heavy.
This is a gift for you guys from Capital.
No.
What?
This is for you guys.
That's too
No,
much.
no, that's too
Take a whole
much.
full. You see? Look at that.
Oh yeah, we make pasta verde.
How's that? It's good, huh? Yeah, today we try to make it ravioli. So I try to make it, we got quite a bit of time. I try to make it two different kinds. I make it some with like ricotta here and green spinach. And then I make a few with sausage, Mariano sausage, but they're already cooked. Spaghetti with olio, and peperoncino, which is this one here. Very, very, I know I have to be careful not to put too much. So look, build the gate. I do a little bit of everything. Slowly, but I do a little bit of everything. When I'm drunk, I sing too sometimes.
Can you take the camera from me?
Sauce is good, Sandro. Good sausage, eh? Mariano sauce is always good. That's a barbecue. You can't go wrong with a sausage barbecue. Oh yeah. Oh, right there.
That's very much. I can.
You get the mess?
You get a mess?
Not sure. Ah. Yeah. Bang, 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 bang.
That look nice though, yeah.
I think it's pretty good. Ah, now it look good.
Now, wow, hallelujah.
That's nice.
Now, wow, hallelujah.
You know what? I don't see why we need all this. And look, I'm a fat enough. I don't need that fat. So you know what I'm doing? I don't care what. I do what the way I want it. Carrot, if it's big, don't put it all like that. Cut them in half, a nice glass of wine, okay? Yeah. I like it. Smell like $1 million. There. Look at that. Beautiful.
You did good? I give you a kiss?
No, I don't know. I cook good even if you don't give me a kiss.
No, don't worry about it. Don't worry about it.
Yeah, that's pretty good. You got a little bit of everything, eh? Not only one meal. They got a little bit of this, a little bit of that. Oh yeah, no, I think it was very, very, very good. Yeah. Oh, that's the one. Then there's one with the one teeth. See that? I say that.
Yeah.
That's Halloween.
With the pumpkin?
Yeah, that's
Yeah,
Halloween.
look at this.
Oh, that guy, yeah.
It's got the hat, the
That's
apron,
nice.
the mugs.
Oh, see, that one I never see it. No. That I never see either. Yeah, that's nice, yeah. You should put it sometime in the video too then. Huh? You put it in the video? Because that's the guy that looker. Holy that's nice. Yeah.
You know, we got one more.
Yeah.
It's actually a video of a little girl. I think she might be your youngest fan.
Hi, Mariano.
Oh.
What's your favorite animal and favorite color? And my name is Rose Princess. I got my Rose Kitty and my dad the Rose King and my mom the Rose Queen. I love your show.
I love you so. See? At that age, see?
Yeah.
She asked me what kind of animal I like it.
Yeah,
What
yeah.
kind of color I like it. Iona, that's Mariano here. You asked me about the animal, okay? Horses, I used to work with the horses, in the lumber camp. And in those days, we pulled the logs with the horses, And sometimes they get mad, they run away. You said, we have lots of trouble. But the horse is a very good animal. You can use it for a lot of things, okay? For work, for enjoy yourself, it's a very, very good, the best. But also I like a dog, but not the big one. The small they are, the better I like it, okay? Color to me is the most is a blue, okay? And white too, but blue and green, because I'm in the garden, all the garden got all the green stuff, and I like that. Okay, Ayougo, see you. I want to say thank you to everyone. You guys send the photo here to me. You know what? It making me happy, making me more than happy when I see people, they like what I do. And for me it's a big satisfaction, okay? Thank you very much again, you guys. And the people watch it, wherever you are, thank you very much. That's it, you guys. Thank you, but I have to go. Okay, thank you, and try, let me know. If you don't like San Mariano, don't make it anymore. But if you like it, I'm gonna make it again, okay? Alla salute. Oh, right hand, I'm now left-handed. Okay, alla salute. Salute. Oh, sole mio.